Hello everyone, so welcome back to the new lab session of Microsoft Excel. Now in this lab we'll try to solve one viewer request that how to maintain employee leave in Excel. Okay, so for example I have designed this Excel, okay, by taking some datas. Now suppose your organization is having three types of leave, that is PL, CL and ML, that is personal leave, casual leave and medical leave. And these are the employees you have, and these are their employee ID, name, and this is the dates. For the time being I have taken January month. This red background indicates Sunday, and I have taken up to 15 days. Okay, now here I want to calculate how many CL, PL, ML employee has taken and what is the total leave. Finally I want to see. So suppose let me decrease the size so that you could see what is the exact picture you have. Now here you want to see how many PL this employee has taken, how many CL this employee has taken, likewise. Okay, so let's try to resolve this problem. Now I want to check how many CL or how many PL this employee has taken, Ajay Kumar Rana. So how to calculate it? So for that we'll use a function called COUNTIF. So how to write it? Just write equal to COUNTIF, start your bracket, select your range, then put a criteria, that is PL. Okay, now close the bracket and press enter. So you see this employee has taken only one PL within this 15. From 1 to 15 he has taken only one PL. Now how many CL he has taken? So again you have to write the same formula, that is COUNTIF. You have to select the range, comma, and you have to write CL and press enter. So one CL is taken. Similarly for ML you have to write COUNTIF, the entire range, comma, then write ML and close the bracket, that is 2. So you see this employee has taken 1 PL, 1 CL and 2 ML. Okay, similarly for each employee you just have to drag it down, a formula will be copied. You see, like here 0, that means this employee has not taken any PL, but as this employee has taken 2 CL, now if I just drag it down this formula, you see here this employee has taken 2 CL. Similarly for ML you just have to drag it down, you'll get the result. Now for total you just have to write the sum function that you have already known. So just select the region, press enter, and for each employee you just have to drag down the formula and you'll see. So in this way we can maintain an employee leave in Excel. Suppose if I want to increase one PL here, and you see it is increased. Similarly I want to increase one ML here, let's say here, it is increased. So this is a way to create employee leave or maintain employee leave in Excel. So try to practice it, and if you have any doubt let me know in the comment section. So thank you very much.